Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. We are here at Speed Zone Performance. We're here with my buddy Kyle. He's gonna get some wheels today. Pretty excited about it. Wait to see him. Check him out. Is it key? Yeah. These are nice and clean, shiny. Shiny! Oh, really? Yeah. Kyle's pulling out. We're gonna load some wheels. You got tires in here?
Yeah.
Tires. Get more tires.
Tires.
What kind are they?
I don't know what these are.
Like ankle.
Got them for free.
Ooh, these are tiny, holy shit.
Yeah, by 30. That's in the front too.
This is a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Is he sure it's 20 or 20,
Yeah.
30 or 25?
By 30. Look, 275, 30, 20.
Shit.
Alright.
Yeah, buddy. Black diamond. Sounds familiar? Should. Did it go in? There you go. That's one in your car too.
Two. One in the front seat.
And just put one there and that's it.
Three in the front.
Appreciate you guys. Appreciate it. Yeah.
Appreciate it. I'll grab that.
Oh yeah, look.
True concave. Time to go. Time to go. Let's go.
Alright, you ready?
Going? Excited?
Pilot shot.
Right now in Orlando. It's a pretty known shop for Mustangs and stuff, for mufflers and other things. Enjoy the drive.
This thing looks oddly peculiar when you hold it this way.
It's like you shove it up and then push a button and it gets
Turn it off.
It's a claw.
This is the rear, right?
Yeah. 10.5. I can't tell you. I'd have to kill you. Look, and then, well, here, I think probably I got two tires. Look at this shit. Just put it in between. No, that's spray paint.
Oh, what?
Yeah, from when they...
Oh, I thought it was like,
they painted the car?
You know they turn
From when they painted the wheels. From Marty and Christina. No, they painted it. But that's gonna go on the inside. Whatever.
This would look sick on my car.
They're brand new.
Both tires, the rear. We got one on. Gonna work on getting the other one on. For the front. Record Kyle working.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you better take a fucking video.
Doesn't happen often.
It's gonna last longer.
Grab it. It's like bags. This Kyle working.
Now.
Yeah, they're heavy. With the tires and stuff, they're heavy. What's up, everybody? We are on the drive home now. Kind of boring, traffic, but it was a good day. Picked up wheels with Kyle from the speed zone. Took it to Ice Cold Auto Shop through the Tyler Barnes over there. Put the tires on the wheels, put the wheels in the car.